Alrighty, this is a special request from Michigan Wildcat, and this one's for you, buddy. First off, you see my seasonings that I mixed together to make my blackened spice. Alrighty, and there's my yellowfin tuna steaks. Okay, and I basically eye this, no need to measure. A little of this, and a little of that. My Creole, that stuff is pretty spicy, so go easy on that stuff. You know, I prefer mixing my own, that way I can make it as hot as I want, or not so hot. And I'm not for the not so hot, so this works well for me. And I also love this lemon pepper seasoning that I put in there. That gives it a nice lemon flavor. I also mix some regular flour in there. Give it some legs. There you go. I'm just adding, making a little bit more, adding the same stuff. I'll try and list the ingredients down below. And a little table salt. Of course, I got my cast iron skillet smoking hot. Hot pan, cold oil. And to that we're going to use a little vegetable, a little olive, and of course a couple dabs of butter. And I'm going to cook this tuna for a total of 8 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes on each side. It's not going to be rare. It's not going to be medium rare. It's going to be slightly pink in the dead center. So more to a 125, 130 on the temperature gauge. Maybe 135 on the temperature gauge. Not really a big fan of the rare raw tuna steaks, so I cook them out pretty good. And that's why you always drop them in away from you. And there you see my 8-minute timer. Alrighty, here's a quick product review. Fancy tongs off Amazon, garbage. Restaurant quality tongs off Amazon, excellent. And there you go. Alright, so we're pretty close to the 4-minute mark. Yeah. What a crust, what a crust. I'll be serving this tonight with some brown rice and some salsa. store-bought salsa. Mild, not that spicy. And we got about 2 more minutes left. What I like to do is put a little butter on the top there. Why not? And there you see time is up. Yeah. And that is looking mighty fine. And there you have it. There, a little brown rice, some salsa, and of course the tuna steak. And there you see a little bit of pink in the center, and that's good enough for me. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good. That is good. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay. That's it, everyone. Listen. All right, everyone. That's it. Listen, have a great week ahead. Stay warm. Peace.